Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Dubrovnik, Croatia, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. From ancient city walls and historic forts to hidden beaches and breathtaking viewpoints, Dubrovnik has something for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 best places you absolutely can't miss when visiting this stunning city. So whether you're a history lover, a beach fan, or just here for the views, get ready for an unforgettable tour of Dubrovnik. 8. Lokrum Island Fortress. Lokrum Island Fortress, often referred to as Fort Royal, is a historic defensive structure located on Lokrum Island, just a short boat ride from Dubrovnik's Old Town. Built by the French in the early 19th century during the Napoleonic period, the fortress sits at the island's highest point, offering sweeping views of the Adriatic Sea and the city of Dubrovnik across the water. Its elevated position made it an important lookout and military post. The fortress itself is simple and sturdy in design, reflecting its military purpose rather than decorative ambition. Thick stone walls and open courtyards were intended to house soldiers and equipment while providing protection and visibility over surrounding sea routes. Although it was never involved in major battles, Fort Royal played a role in strengthening the defensive network around Dubrovnik. Today, the Lokrum Island Fortress is a quiet and atmospheric place to explore, appealing to visitors who enjoy history combined with nature. Reaching the fortress involves a scenic walk through pine forests and botanical gardens, making the journey just as rewarding as the destination. From the top, visitors are rewarded with panoramic views, peaceful surroundings, and a sense of Dubrovnik's layered past, far removed from the bustle of the old town. 7. Tvrđava Lovrjenac. Tvrđava Lovrjenac, also known as Lovrjenac Fortress, is one of Dubrovnik's most dramatic and strategically important landmarks. Perched on a steep rocky cliff about 37 meters above the Adriatic Sea, just outside the western walls of the old town, the fortress was built to defend the city from both land and sea attacks. Its isolated position and commanding views made it a crucial part of Dubrovnik's defensive system during the time of the Republic of Ragusa. Construction of Lovrjenac Fortress began in the 11th century and continued over several centuries. The walls facing the sea are impressively thick, up to 12 meters in some places, while the walls facing the city are much thinner, reflecting Dubrovnik's clever defensive strategy. Above the entrance, a famous Latin inscription reads, "Non bene pro toto libertas venditur oro," meaning liberty is not sold for all the gold in the world, highlighting the city's strong devotion to independence. Today, Lovrjenac Fortress is a popular attraction for visitors, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Dubrovnik's old town, the city walls, and the endless blue of the Adriatic. It is also well known as a filming location for Game of Thrones, where it represented the Red Keep. In addition to sightseeing, the fortress serves as an open-air stage for cultural events, especially during the Dubrovnik Summer Festival, blending history, scenery, and culture into one unforgettable experience. 6. Mount Srđ Cable Car. The Mount Srđ Cable Car is one of the most popular attractions in Dubrovnik, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city and the Adriatic Sea. It takes visitors from just outside the old town up to the summit of Mount Srđ, which rises about 412 meters above sea level. The ride itself is short, around 4 minutes, but incredibly scenic, as the red rooftops of Dubrovnik, the ancient city walls, and the deep blue sea gradually come into full view. At the top, visitors are rewarded with one of the best viewpoints in Croatia. From the observation platform, you can see the entire old town, Lokrum Island, and on clear days, far along the Dalmatian coastline. There's also a panoramic restaurant and cafe at the summit, making it a great place to relax, take photos, and enjoy the scenery, especially during sunset when the city glows in warm colors. Mount Srđ is also home to the Homeland War Museum, located inside the historic Fort Imperial. The museum provides insight into Dubrovnik's role during the Croatian War of Independence, adding historical depth to the visit. Whether you take the cable car up or hike the trail, Mount Srđ is a must-visit spot that combines natural beauty, history, and unforgettable views of Dubrovnik. 5. Banje Beach. Banje Beach is one of the most famous and easily accessible beaches in Dubrovnik, located just a short walk from the eastern entrance of the Old Town. Its prime position offers stunning views of the city walls, Fort Revelin, and the nearby island of Lokrum, making it a favorite spot for both visitors and locals. The combination of historic scenery and crystal-clear Adriatic water gives Banje Beach a unique and memorable atmosphere. The beach is mostly pebbled, with some concrete areas for sunbathing, and the water is calm and ideal for swimming. Banje Beach is well equipped with facilities, including sunbeds, umbrellas, showers, and nearby cafes and restaurants. For those seeking more activity, the beach also offers water sports such as jet skiing, parasailing, and paddleboarding, adding an energetic vibe to the area. As the day turns into evening, Banje Beach transforms into a lively social spot, with beach bars and lounges offering drinks, music, and sunset views over the Old Town. Whether you're looking to relax by the sea, enjoy panoramic views, or experience Dubrovnik's vibrant coastal nightlife, Banje Beach provides a perfect mix of relaxation and excitement. 4. Dubrovnik West Harbour. Dubrovnik West Harbour, also known as Pile Bay, is a small but historically significant harbor located just outside the western entrance of Dubrovnik's Old Town. Nestled between the impressive city walls and Fort Lovrjenac, the harbor has long served as an important maritime access point to the city. In the past, it was used by fishermen and small trading boats, playing a quiet yet essential role in Dubrovnik's daily life. Today, Dubrovnik West Harbour is best known for its scenic beauty and relaxed atmosphere. Traditional wooden boats bob gently on the clear water, while stone steps along the edge of the harbor invite visitors to sit and enjoy the view. The contrast between the deep blue Adriatic Sea, the ancient fortifications, and the surrounding cliffs makes this spot especially popular for photography, particularly in the early morning or at sunset. The harbor also serves as a departure point for boat tours and kayaking excursions along the city walls and nearby coastline. With its mix of history, calm waters, and stunning surroundings, Dubrovnik West Harbour offers a peaceful moment just steps away from the busy Old Town, allowing visitors to appreciate the city from a different and more tranquil perspective. 3. Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. The Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, often called Dubrovnik Cathedral, is one of the city's most important religious and architectural landmarks. Located in the heart of Dubrovnik's Old Town, this stunning Baroque cathedral was built in the late 17th century after the original cathedral was destroyed by the catastrophic earthquake of 1667. Its elegant design, grand dome, and richly decorated interior make it a centerpiece of the city's cultural and spiritual heritage. The cathedral's interior is renowned for its opulent Baroque style, with intricate marble altars, gilded details, and beautiful frescoes that depict scenes from the life of the Virgin Mary. Its treasury houses an impressive collection of religious relics, including items said to belong to Saint Blaise, the patron saint of Dubrovnik, as well as sacred artifacts from across Europe. These treasures reflect both the city's deep religious devotion and its historical connections with other Mediterranean cultures. Visitors to the cathedral are often struck by the harmonious combination of grandeur and serenity. The cathedral not only serves as a place of worship, but also as a symbol of Dubrovnik's resilience, having been rebuilt and restored after natural disasters while maintaining its historical and artistic significance. For anyone exploring the Old Town, The Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary is a must-see, offering insight into the city's spiritual life, history, and Baroque architectural beauty. 2. Onofrio's Large Fountain. Onofrio's Large Fountain is one of Dubrovnik's most recognizable landmarks and a symbol of the city's impressive medieval engineering. It stands at the western entrance of the Old Town at the beginning of Straton, the main street. The fountain was built in 1438 by Neapolitan architect Onofrio della Cava as part of a sophisticated water supply system that brought fresh water to the city from a spring nearly 12 kilometers away. The fountain is circular in shape and decorated with 16 carved stone masks, each with a small spout from which water flows. In the past, it served as the main public water source for Dubrovnik's residents and travelers. Although an earthquake in 1667 damaged much of its original decorative detail, the fountain remains fully functional today and is still used by visitors to drink cool, fresh water. Beyond its practical purpose, Onofrio's Large Fountain is also a popular meeting point and photo stop for tourists. Surrounded by historic buildings and lively street activity, it reflects Dubrovnik's blend of beauty, history, and everyday life. The fountain stands as a reminder of how advanced and well-organized the city was during the time of the Republic of Ragusa. 1. Betina Cave Beach. Betina Cave Beach is one of Dubrovnik's most unique and secluded coastal spots, located just outside the Old Town beneath the steep cliffs of the city. Tucked inside a natural cave between Banje Beach and the Lazaretti area, the beach is only accessible by boat, kayak, or by swimming from nearby shores. This hidden setting gives Betina Cave a peaceful, almost secret atmosphere that feels far removed from the busy streets above. The beach itself is small and covered with fine pebbles, with clear turquoise water that is ideal for swimming and snorkeling. Sunlight filtering through the cave opening creates beautiful reflections on the water, making it especially popular with photographers and kayakers exploring the coastline. There are no facilities or crowds, so visitors are encouraged to bring their own water and supplies and to enjoy the natural surroundings responsibly. Betina Cave Beach is perfect for travelers looking for a quiet escape and a different perspective of Dubrovnik's coastline. Whether you arrive by kayak on a guided tour or paddle there on your own, the experience of entering the cave and discovering the beach is unforgettable. It offers a blend of adventure, natural beauty, and tranquility that makes it one of Dubrovnik's true hidden gems. And that's a wrap on the 8 best places to visit in Dubrovnik, Croatia. From the historic city walls and stunning forts to hidden beaches and breathtaking viewpoints, this city truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy travels.